Tired of juggling multiple apps for notes, tasks, and project management? Let's dive into Notion and unlock its potential to become your all-in-one productivity hub. First, create a new workspace by signing up or logging in. You'll be greeted with a blank page, ready for your personal touch. Now, create a new page. You can start with a blank canvas or choose from hundreds of templates for everything from project trackers to personal journals. Let's format some text, add headings, and create bullet points to get comfortable with the basics. Notion works with blocks, which are the building blocks of your pages. You can add various blocks: text, images, videos, even embed content from other websites. Use toggles to organize information and keep your pages clean. Let's unlock the power of databases. Create a simple task database to track your to-dos. Add properties like status, due date, and priority. The best part? You can filter and sort your database to see only what you need. Notion is built for collaboration. Share your pages with team members, add comments, and assign tasks directly within the platform. Stay connected and aligned on your projects, all in one place. Want to take it further? Explore linked databases and Rollups to connect information across multiple pages, creating a truly interconnected workspace. Notion is incredibly versatile, whether it's for personal note-taking, project management, or team collaboration. Notion can be tailored to fit your specific needs. So, start exploring Notion today and discover how it can transform your productivity and organization. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.